Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Liana Atira binti Abu Kasim. I'm from CS1434A. My matric number 2020990293.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Faizatul Diana binti Khairul Amir Rashid. I'm from CS1434A. Matric number 2020984283.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Husna binti Muhammad Saad from A4CS1435D. My student ID is 2019261992.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Fatima Atira binti Muhammad from kelas CS1434A. Number matric 2020955679.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Farahim binti Abdul Aziz. I am from CS1434A and my ID number is 2029506949.
So, for the introduction, the determinant is used to determine if a matrix has an inverse and to evaluate the inverse with cofactors. Cramer'S rules can be used to solve 2x2 or 3x3 linear system. Cramer'S rules, which use determinants to solve system of equation with the same number of variables as equation, will be applied in our case study.
Purpose of study. First, to find the determinant of the product of matrix. Next, to form an augmented matrix by represent the system of linear equation. When we find determinant, the system of linear equation, we applying Cramer'S rule. Next, we need to find the price of each scarf that sold by Kaisara at boutique which applying Cramer'S rule. Last, we need to find the number of black scarf that Kaisara need to sell for reach her new target in November.
Problem statement. Kaisara is a businesswoman that sells scarves. She calculated the total sales of her scarf in August, September and October. Kaisara sold 3 types of scarf which are peach coloured, black coloured and white coloured. The amount of scarves sold in August are 10 peach coloured scarf, 30 black coloured scarf and 25 white coloured scarf. And the total amount of sales that she got is 1,325 ringgit. Next, the amount of scarves that are sold for each scarf in September are 10 peach coloured scarf, 15 black coloured scarf and 40 white coloured scarf. And the total amount of sales are 1,400 ringgit. In October, the flood happened and Kaisara's business became worse. So, the amount of scarves sold are decreasing, which are 20 peach coloured scarf, 20 black coloured scarf and 15 white coloured scarf. The total amount of sales is also decreasing to 975 ringgit. In regards to decreasing sales, Kaisara has to figure out how many white coloured scarves she needs to sell to reach her new target of sales, which is 1,600 ringgit. The peach and black scarf are only limited to 30 and 15 scarves respectively. We need to find the number of white coloured scarf that Kaisara has to sell to reach her sales target, which is 1,600 ringgit. To solve this problem, we'll denote X as the peach coloured scarf, Y as the black coloured scarf, and Z as the white coloured scarf. Then we'll transform the linear equation into matrix form. 10, 30, 25, 10, 15, 40, 20, 20, 15. X, Y, Z equals to 1,325, 1,400 and 975. In order to find the determinant of A, we need to use Cramer'S rules. Determinant of A, the formula is S1 minus S2. S1 is 31,250. S2 is 20,000. So the determinant of A is S1 minus S2 and we'll get the amount of 11,250. Next, we use Cramer'S rules to find the value of X, Y and Z. To find the value of X, we substitute the X part in the matrix. So we get X, S1 is 2168125, S2 is 2055625. So the determinant of A1 is 112500. To solve this problem, we'll denote X as the peach coloured scarf, Y as the black colored scarf, and Z as the white colored scarf. Then we'll transform the linear equation into matrix form. 10, 30, 25, 10, 15, 40, 20, 20, 15. X, Y, Z equals to 1,325, 1,400, and 975. In order to find the determinant of A, we need to use Soros's rules. Determinant of A, the formula is S1 minus S2. S1 is 31,250. S2 is 20,000. So the determinant of A is S1 minus S2, and we'll get the amount of 11,250. And to find the value of Z, we substitute in the matrix, and we'll get the determinant of A3 is 281,250. So the value of X is equal to 112,500 divided by 11,250, and we get the value of 10. For Y equals to 225,000 divided by 11,250, and we'll get the value of 20. And lastly, Z is equal to 281,250 divided by 11,250, and we'll get the amount of 25. So the amount of white scarves that Kaisara needs to sell is, we will substitute the value of X, Y, Z that we got into the linear equation, and we'll get the answer of the scarf that she needs to sell is 40 white scarves.
In my part, I will discuss about result. As we can see, there are 3 months that we take, which is August, September, and October. In problem 2, we will discuss about the amount of white scarf that Kaisara needs to sell to get her November target, which is white scarf is equal to 40. Firstly, we must indicate the problem statement as X, price of peach scarf, Y, price of black scarf, and Z, price of white scarf, and K is the amount of white scarf that Kaisara needs to sell. After that, we use linear equation into this statement that we can transfer into argument matrix and solve it using Soros's rule to get determinant A. For calculate the value of X, Y, and Z is equal to X equal to 10, Y equal to 20, and Z is equal to 25, we use Cramer'S rule. In this rule, we can find the value of K by instead using linear equation and get value of K is equal to 40. Hence, the number of scarf that Kaisara needs to sell in November is 40 white scarf. Now let's see the discussion. From the problem statement, as we can see, Kaisara business become worse because of the flood. So that Kaisara wants to get the normal target like usual to get the sale in November, which is 1,600. So the problem Kaisara is trying to find the number of white scarf that she has to sell in November, and her target that month is 1,600. So we must find the price of each color of scarf to help us find the white quantity of scarf that she needs to sell in November.
Conclusively, we managed to get the answer for Kaisara's problem, who has to figure out how many white scarf that she has to sell to reach her new target of sale, which is 1,600 ringgit. And also, his peach and black scarf only limited to 30 and 50 scarf respectively. We are able to figure out if with the process for achieving the purpose of study of linear algebra. The result can be achieved, but when we change the problem statement into mathematical sentence, the indicator for written is X equal to peach scarf, Y equal to black scarf, and Z equal to white scarf. We apply Soros's rule and Cramer'S rule. For Soros's rule, we use it to get the determinant, and then we apply Cramer'S rule to get the value for X, Y, and Z. After all the question been solved, we get the answer for X is equal to Rm10 ringgit, for Y is equal Rm20 ringgit, and for Z is equal Rm25 ringgit. After we get the value for every price for the scarf, then we can find the number of white scarf that need to get to achieve the target. So after the calculation, we get 14 white scarf. So to achieve the target, Kaisara need to sell 30 piece scarf, 15 black scarf, and 40 white scarf. So from all this, we can conclude that the problem can be solved by applying Sarah's rule and Cramer'S rule.